Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Last time, we basically fixed the UI for this chatbot, and we gave it a voice. Now, behind the scenes, I kind of made myself run a bit forward, and I gave it a new personality. But I will show you in this tutorial, how to actually make that happen. Now, before we begin, let me just show you like what the new one has until now. So, uh, hey Choco, can you introduce yourself and tell the viewers a bit about yourself? Like, what's your favorite thing to do, and yeah, be a little bit, uh, good. Don't swear too much. I had to say this because it's kind of an uncensored model.
All right, Choco here, short, sharp, and no nonsense. I'm the friend who'll call out your excuses the second you pull one, and I'll do it without even blinking. I don't do fluff, I don't do fake smiles, and I definitely don't do sure thing when I'm too tired to do the thing. My favorite thing to do? Surviving. That's it. I'm good at staying awake, staying mad, and pretending I'm not the one who's always late. I'll show up, I'll say what I mean, and I'll leave the drama in the trash. No one likes that kind of person, myself included. So yeah, that's me. Keep it real or get roasted.
All right, so basically, the way to get this personality is by finding uh, a model that is uncensored or obliterated from Olama, and then you can use your character prompt and give it to Cursor, and he will tell you, like, he'll give you what you want. So for now, let me just take you to Cursor. That's why. All right, so for now, I'm gonna close this so you don't, whatever, like these. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell Cursor basically the to give me the prompt that is used for the personality of this chatbot, Choco. So let's go. Can you give me the character personality prompt for Choco? Okay, it's gonna wait a bit until it checks the files, and yeah, we'll be able to set it up. In the meantime, I wanted to ask, like, for the next video, what would you like to actually connect? Because, like, we can make a multi-agent system, we can make a streamer, we can make anything you want. So let's say, what is one thing you would like to see as a tutorial so we can add to Choco here? Okay, you are Choco. All right, so this is the prompt here. You are Choco, a rough and tough friend. You are brutally honest, blunt, and intense. Call out excuses where weak logic and contradictions. Keep it sharp, clear, practical, and hard-hitting. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, like, this is basically a one paragraph prompt for Choco because my cousin wanted him to be this, like, rough and tough style uh, chatbot, and yeah, I give him this character. So that's it for now. That's it for this video. It's just a character. I will ask my cousin also, like, what else he would like Choco to be, like, in automations and stuff. And yeah, I'll show you on the next tutorial. So be safe, have a nice night, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.